Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the MetaTrader application on your PC. So let's get started right away. We're going to want to open up our web browser first, and then in the address bar type in metatrader5.com and press enter. As soon as you get into this official website, you will be able to find the download MetaTrader 5 for Windows button. If you have a Mac OS or Linux, you can click on for Mac OS or the for Linux buttons, and you will be able to download the appropriate versions from there. So just click on the download button and the download will begin. So once the file is downloaded, you can just click on it and open it up. And once you open up the installer, you can simply scroll through the next button, and this will begin the installation of MetaTrader 5. Wait for a while until the installation is completed, and you can now click on the finish button, and this will complete the installation of MetaTrader 5. You can now continue and log into your account. And once you do this, the MetaTrader application will automatically open up. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the MetaTrader application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.